Okay guys, so we're in the classroom today, and what we're going to be looking at is how Diane's journey started. So she got involved with me through the online training what I do, and she wanted to become part of the network which I'm been developing. So she's done an online training, and now she's in the classroom doing a reality classroom training, continuing what she did online. And what she's going to be doing today, she's doing a practicing doing this flow unit, which this is a flow unit what she's removed, and she's been practicing because she's going to do a real job in the customer's house to replace this part. It's had a leaking boiler. It came in last night, so I said, Diane, you can do this. She's ready. I'm really confident she can do this on her own and execute this job without no problem. But before we get into that, we're just going to go back in time, and she's going to explain her journey, how basically her dream to reality has actually took place. So Diane, just explain to people, your little journey.
Okay, well I've always wanted to work on boilers, and I struggled to get through my basic gas courses, and within an all male environment, got through all of that, and I thought, oh, I'll get a job somewhere. But nobody wanted to actually employ you at that point. So what happened was I thought, right, I need to get some more training and move on and get the skills to be able to fix the boilers. So that's what I've been doing. It's been an interesting and great journey in terms of challenges, and to actually get your hands on the boiler, it's a real nice feeling after all this time, because going through the gas exams, it takes a long time, and actually getting here to get to do the job that you want to do is brilliant.
Okay, so just explain, how did we meet? What happened with her?
Well, I couldn't get a job anywhere. Nobody would employ me, even as an apprentice. So I looked online and I saw Tony there, and I thought, wow, this guy knows what he's doing. And none of this baffling you with science and various things, actually down to earth, straight talking people who are going to help you get where you want to go to realise your dream.
Okay, so from once you contacted me, what happened then for your dream to become to reality?
Well, I started the online course, which was brilliant. Obviously, we had COVID that just came in at that point, so I was on the online course, so it kept my brain going forward, and I kept moving forward, and actually got myself ready so that I could come into the classroom when things settled down a bit.
Right, so you're here now, and you're doing, as I said, continued your online training, now doing hands-on, getting skilled, getting it all in your head, so you're now confident to go out and do this job.
Oh yes.
That's it. So this is what you can do. This is a real life case, as I said. So hopefully you'll like what you're going to see, and she's going to go into the job, as I said, and you're going to see how she can execute that job. So last night a job came in, customer rang me, and we're obviously at the customer's house now, and he's going to explain what happened before Diane arrived. So Mr. Customer, just explain what happened.
So yeah, for the last 2 days the boiler was leaking all over the place. The house was full of water. So I rang Tony yesterday, explained to him the exact issue and what's happened. So he advised me that one of the team will come out today and fix the boiler. Diane arrived today and she done an amazing job. This place was soaking like...
The shows were, well,
10 minutes ago. Coming. No, not 10 minutes ago, an hour ago, even more than that, and she's done a fantastic job. Thank you, Diane. She's been a great help.
Excellent, cool. Okay, Diane, so just explain what you did and what this part is, what you changed.
This is a flow unit, and it's got 3 pipes off it, obviously under pressure, and the customer's unit was leaking, so I've replaced this.
Okay, so what do you feel like now you've done your first job doing this type of thing, from the classroom to reality in a customer's house?
Very invigorating. I found it interesting from the classroom to reality. It's good as the classroom, but you also get the things like tight nuts and things in the reality, but you have to work around them.
Okay, excellent. So this is a great story from point of view of Diane being a woman in basically the man's world in this engineer world, but she's conquered through and she's done a great job. So well done for you, Diane, doing this job, doing a flow unit, which is a tough job, and lots of engineers will agree that it's not an easy job, but she's done it. No leaks, no problems, and the bar's working fine. So that's great, well done. So that's going to be it from me, Coach Tony Morgan, and my team. So we'll see you in the next video. So bye for now.